Smooth Neighborhood. Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. So what you got today, Poo-Poo?
I got the Barbie. So this is what I'm going to start opening because this good boy.
Okay, well let's get the. I think your scissors. Oh, if you don't need them, but your scissors is on the ground over there.
I need them to cut the anything.
That thing, yeah. Never use scissors without a parent, guys. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Cut it, girl.
Yeah. Oh my God.
You got it?
Yeah.
Ooh. Oh, be careful.
I will.
I think you got it now. I think you cut it enough. Yeah. Open it up.
Now get the Barbie. Get the Barbie.
Ooh. We
See?
got this from Dollar
See,
Tree.
Daddy?
Fashion doll.
See, hers different.
Yep. Show it to them. Get close with her so they can see what she look like. Ooh. Let's see. Ooh.
Now I'm
And what
gonna...
she got? Some pink shoes. Okay, okay.
Now let's start opening this.
Alright, which one you gonna open now?
This feels like gloopy.
Ooh. How's it feel?
Nice, feel, Daddy. Never feel this kind.
Ooh.
Till you'll slip out your hand.
Ew. It's got a nice consistency. It's kind of runny, but
Yeah.
it sticks. It stays together.
Yeah.
Ooh.
And it kind of is slippery and it slips out of your hand, but that's okay. It gets tangly a little bit. Now I'm going to start showing them this because I
Oh, you gonna show them that?
Yeah, because I already opened it. It's a
This
yo-yo.
Let me see. Ooh.
It's a yo-yo.
Oh, we tangled it a little bit. Hold on.
I tangled it.
So I have to take it apart.
What?
Get the tangle out. See? Put it back together. Ugh. Now you wrap it. Wrap, 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 wrap. Wrap, wrap, wrap. Wrap, 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 wrap. Wrap, wrap, wrap. Alright, stand up, people. Stand on your chair.
Wow.
Now hold this string up here. Hold it. Now let it fall. Woo! Oh! She yo-yoed it. Alright. Now what else you got?
So first of all, we're gonna start open.
Whoa. Oh.
Okay.
Where'd we go?
The camera. Okay, so I'm gonna start opening these things together because I don't want to leave Anaya.
Well, these are Slinkies. She got two, one for her, one for Anaya, but Naya's at school right now, so we gonna open one of them and save the other one for Naya.
Yeah, that one's for Anaya. This one. Thanks, it's the case that's Anaya. Is Anaya here?
No, I think she's still at school. You gonna have to go see if she's done when you're done with your video. Let me help you. You pull it, babe.
Oh.
Just grip that thing. Use your strong hands. Whoa. You're so strong, you knocked over the other slime.
But it's snored. Okay, now you're just gonna stay up. You wanna stay up there?
Put them over here.
Get that other slime, please. Okay, I think you're busted out.
Where?
Oh, it just busted out right here. With the other one, which is where I already opened that one. Let me see. Let me get under. Oh, we forgot to show them this one. I'm sorry. This one's different that I got last night.
Put it close. So you got the bubbles in there.
No, that's the spoon, Daddy. Foam.
Foam bubbles.
Oh my God!
Yeah.
It just keeps going. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, you're just staying there. Staying there. Staying there. Okay, now we're gonna start opening, which is this beautiful.
Show it to me.
I'm just gonna show y'all it. It's really beautiful, and there's 2 pinks.
And it makes fart noises, doesn't it?
Now, you wanna hear it fart?
Yeah.
First, you just need to get it out a little bit, and then.
Ugh. Ugh. Push it deep. Oh.
More beans, please.
More beans, please. Let me see. Ooh. Get in there. Oop.
Get in there. And now we're going to show you when it's out like.
Thick, ain't it?
Yeah, look how beautiful it is.
Ooh.
It's not even slippery.
I like that one.
It's not even.
That one is easy to clean.
This one you just have to. Ooh, something's in there. Something's in there.
What's in there?
A paper. Okay, so that's enough showing right now of this because I need to show you all the Slinky that I just opened.
Oh yeah, do show them the Slinky. I forgot. Oh, excuse you.
I'm not doing that. This is
It's the putty. Thought you was gonna show them the Slinky, poo poo.
I am. There's a bubble on it.
Ooh, excuse you.
I didn't do it.
Oh.
Dad.
I'm sorry, y'all. That wasn't her. It was the putty. She doesn't want her subscribers thinking she's a farty.
Okay, I just have to start opening it.
Oh. Whoa.
This is.
That's bigger than the one you got at Chuck E. Cheese, ain't it? Whoa. Is it tall like you or? Oh.
No, you can stretch it more further than that. Try, Daddy.
Try it.
I'm going all the way in the living room.
Alright, see. Whoa. Where you at, girl? Where are you? What up, Bishop? Where'd she go? Oh! Dang. Did you go to the living room?
Mm-hmm.
Girl.
Well, not really.
Alright.